today we are going to show you our brand new rice cooker, and let's see how it performs. This is the first time I'm going to use it. It's from Oster and it's very basic. I got it in Thanksgiving. I think it cost me between 10 or $15. I really don't remember. I think we got this from Target online purchase, so it was just shipped to home. So what I've done is ये rice हम लोग lunch में plan कर रहे हैं खाने के लिए. So it's almost 1¼ cup rice. Remember, the cup that comes with the rice cooker is what I use and not the standard US measuring cup, because what I read and understood and learnt is that the cup which comes with the rice cooker is almost 3/4 the size of a standard 1 cup US measure. So इसमें मैंने राइस धो लिया है as you can see, एंड मैंने पानी डाल लिया है. लाइक आई सेड 1/4 राइस है. और पानी की एक ट्रिक मैं आपको बताती हूँ. when you dip this, I always wash the rice at least 5 times or dals 5 times, and when you put water, just immerse your finger in it, and it should be just about almost 1¼ inch of water in the rice. That is the trick. So you don't even need any measurement. और यूजुअली राइस को 15 मिनट आप भिगो दीजिए. बनाने से पहले मैं भिगो चुकी हूँ. इसको हम कवर कर देंगे विद द लिड. इट ऑल्सो केम विद द स्टीमर बट आई एम नॉट यूजिंग इट टुडे. दिस इज़ अ ट्रायल वन एंड आई एम गोइंग टू प्लग इट ऑन and then just put it on and let's see how many minutes it takes. I heard a beep and I think the rice is ready, and as you can see the indicator has automatically shut to the warm side, and the steam, as you can see, hopefully the steam is still turning on. Behind you see a Black & Decker rice cooker. I always like to keep one spare just in case you have those bad days, or usually the pan in which we make the rice goes bad, the non-stick goes bad, and the rice really starts sticking to the base a lot. That's when you realize you've got to buy a new one. So this is just a trial of Oster rice cooker, and we will see how it looks when we start eating. While the rice was cooking, I verified ki what was the price of this. It cost me $10 from Target online shipping during Thanksgiving of 2017. And today I have tried it. Oster, it's a 6-cup rice cooker, and they said this is like a Dura ceramic. This is the box that we got out of it. It has a steamer with it, but I'm just trying to test कि ये चल भी रहा है या नहीं. At least 4 लोगों के लिए राइस आराम से बन जाता है, even though it is 6 cup. So let's see how the rice looks. Look at the rice, looks good. And if I just take a little bit, if you see, it has absolutely not stuck to the pan. That is the best part. This is what I always wait for. लेकिन आप देखिए ये बिल्कुल भी pan पे stuck नहीं हुआ है. Let's check this side, and it still looks perfect. This is what I call good ceramic quality. Thank you for watching.